Previously on D-Class Build Battle.
So I thought about splitting the staff into two teams, an over 30s and under 30s, let them choose which car they want. Could be a good team battle.
Hi, I'm Max from Team New Class. Today we're going to do an in-depth walk-around video on the 190E. To mix it up a little bit, Andy from Team Old School is going to show you around.
So, this is what you bought, Matt. Something old, slow and German. I would have never had you down for that.
Surprise, surprise.
It's... Oh, I don't want to say anything nice, but it is clean. So, how old was the gentleman you bought this from?
We don't, to be fair, don't actually know. I only ever spoke to him over the phone because we bought it sight unseen.
Yeah,
we took a risk.
He's going to be one of our Mercedes-Benz owners that we deal with on a daily basis. I'm pretty sure it's not going to stay like this.
No. With the loose plans that we have floating about, no, is the answer to that.
What engine have we got? 1.8?
1.8.
Okay.
If you have a little look inside, you can see that there's one thing that a normal one of these doesn't have, which is the manual gear stick.
Oh yeah.
Very hard to come by.
What made you go for the less sought after manual?
It's just, obviously when you're looking for a car, you've got a rough idea of what you're going to do to it, and without going too much in detail, it just suited the theme of the car much better.
Suited the age of the owner with the grandad humbugs. This is too clean to be chopping up and replacing. It is sacrilege for what would be a future classic.
But the good thing with this is that has been spoken about, rather than trimming over these good condition door cards, we can just take them out and sell them on and try find some old, more damaged ones to use. So hopefully the purists are going to be a little bit happier in that respect.
At least that's putting something back into the club, isn't it?
Yes.
They're gonna.
We'll give them a little something.
All right. Yeah. Let's check out the back.
I'll open for you, sir.
4 doors for more people. It's just as clean as the front, obviously. This is absolute sacrilege. I'm going to just keep saying that, Max. But honestly, you are going to upset some. Oh, is that supposed to be like that?
We'll gloss over that little bit there.
I don't even know how to open these things.
No, I haven't ever been in there.
Oh, vintage. Have you looked in this?
No, I haven't.
Oh, that is, honestly.
I would not want to be using that.
I don't think it's going to save your life. Wow. Mercedes-Benz Club coming your way. Right, let's go and have a look at the boot, shall we?
As you can see, it's been well cared for in its life. Got a nice...
Anything with its own folder.
Got a nice owner's manual.
Data card, lovely.
Where's your one of those, eh?
Probably been used as filler in the arches somewhere.
But
oh yeah,
nice.
Can't have a German car without the triangle. It's all very clean.
Toolkit. What even is this?
This is a little sewing kit.
Is it?
Is this yours? This is Max's first sewing kit. Well, just one thing, you would definitely come prepared, Max.
Build bow, isn't it? I need to trim it. Got some thread.
Vintage. I'd love to bitch about your bodywork, but it is tidy, isn't it? So I presume you're going to go air.
It's too soon to say really, but we'll see where the build takes us.
I mean, obviously, you might not know this, but Max is killer stance. He loves a bit of air, and he also likes a hearing aid beige Golf, which has won him a few trophies. So I'm sure he'll do something similar along those lines.
Only time will tell.
So what's the miles on this?
I'll
beauty?
let you get in and have a little look around.
Oh, it's so mint. Is the steering wheel big enough, Max?
It is like driving a cruise ship. I actually struggled to get in the size of that steering wheel.
What is this? Do you know what this is? Oh, thank you for purchasing your breakdown policy with AutoAid. Does this say a lot about the mechanics of this car?
Hopefully that doesn't give us an indication as to what the car's like.
Okay. I mean, if it's unreliable and old and German, surely it's in keeping with what everything that you fancy. The manual, Max, honestly. Did you search for a manual?
We purposely chose a manual.
Because it's cheaper?
No, it's actually the opposite. For some reason we decided to choose the more expensive option, but...
Oh, 125,000 miles?
Only just run in for one of these.
I guess so, but almost 100,000 miles more than what we've got on ours.
100,000 miles more experience.
True, true. And I'm sure it would all count if it wasn't the smallest engine they made for this vehicle.
Still bigger than your one though, isn't it?
No, it's not.
It is, yours is 1.4.
No, it's not.
That's right.
It's 140 brake.
Oh, I always thought it was a 1.4.
I would definitely not be buying a 1.4. Yeah, that's the confusing. There's two 1.9s, but one of them's a 140 brake and one of them is a 190.
It's still less than yours then.
Well, that aside, let's have a look what's under the bonnet.
All right.
Oh, she's lovely.
Here's the lovely beast.
Oh, what a beauty you have here, Max. You've got a bit of an oil leak going on.
Yeah, same with most of my previous cars.
I was going to say, it's very traditional of you. So
Used.
What have you got? Have you got the 3.2 AMG?
Yeah,
Or the 2.5 Cosworth? Or the
the
2.3? Or the 2? Or
It's just the 1.8.
oh, just the 1.8.
Yeah, nothing
Well,
special.
as long as you're not going to try and make it look fast, I guess it's not really an issue.
I will point one thing out for you, as we've made a joke previously. Have a look at my battery holder.
Well, your battery's in there solidly, but
It's held in with a piece of carpet.
oh, lovely. I think that's it really for the old girl. Oh, that's really all I've got to say about your car. We are completely two ends of the spectrum here, and I guess it's over to you to explain what's next.
So that's Andy's take on our lovely 190e. We're now going to go meet the team and discuss further plans for the car and see what we can make out of it.
Look how excited Max is about his car.
So we've all seen the 190e now.
After a lengthy discussion with the team about the car and what we wanted to achieve with it, we came to an agreement on a lot of key areas for the build. Starting with the exterior, we are going with one of the OEM Mercedes body kits to get that DTM styled look from back in the day. A racing livery will accompany this with the new D-Class colour scheme, and lastly, a set of wheels that wouldn't look too out of place on a DTM car. For the interior, we are hoping to source and retrofit some modern Mercedes AMG seats. We're also looking to get a custom roll cage to match the theme of the build, and finally detail it with some race accessories like a fire extinguisher and a helmet. Last but certainly not least is the colour theme of our interior. We have selected a blue leather from the UK Hyde catalogue, who are kindly sponsoring both teams for the build battle. The leather will be accompanied with some matching Alcantara with a copper contrasting thread throughout.
So we're all happy with what we've got to do and where we're going to go.
Yeah, no,
Sounds
good.
good.
Cool. Well,
Let's do this.
let's do it.
In the next episode, we have an in-depth walk around of Team Old School's Celica. Once again, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram at DClassAuto.